Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the cleanest input possible. First, extract the audio track from the video as WAV or FLAC so you preserve quality. Use FFmpeg or your editor to export 48K HC, 24-bit if available. This gives you headroom for processing. Once the file is saved, listen through once to mark problem sections, noise, clipping, or muffled speech. Make short notes with timestamps so you can address each issue precisely when you begin restoration. Now you perform the core restoration steps. First, sample a noise profile from a silent section and apply broadband noise reduction conservatively so speech remains natural. Then, use subtractive EQ to remove rumble below 100 Hz and cut resonances. Boost gently around 2 to 4 kHz to bring back intelligibility. Next, run click and clip repair on transient damage and a de-esser to tame sibilance. Make sure to /B often. Small changes add up, so proceed iteratively. Finish by making the audio consistent and export-ready. Apply gentle compression, 2 to 4 to 1, to smooth level differences, then use makeup gain and an integrated loudness target like -16 LUFS for dialogue-first video. Choose -14 LUFS if you need louder masters. Match tonal balance across clips so edits aren't noticeable, and finally export the processed audio and remux it into the original video container. If the result still sounds odd, check phase/inversion and sample rate mismatches as the key troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.